Hey everyone, this is Darryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive, and we're going to be talking about, wow, massive good news, massive good news for XRP, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, and why right now are we seeing a nice recovery? And we're going to be I'm going to freaking show you that we're seeing almost a V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin, XRP, and Dogecoin, and this signals that the local bottom is in, and remember, when this happens in a bull run, this can only mean thing. We're going to see more and more explosive gains for crypto, guys. So it's just getting started. All the badness, all the negativeness, I think is behind us, and we're going to see things start to pop, guys. So don't forget, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! Coming to you live from Asia. And guys, don't forget to support the channel with super thanks, super chats. We're going to start, doing our charity stuff again, getting more positive out there, getting the community involved a lot more than before, guys. So support the channel, share this video. Let's get the views up, guys. Let's get it out there. So remember, don't forget to smash the likes. It's free. Go back and watch all my other videos, guys. So if you take a look at the heat map, we're seeing things looking positive right now. We're seeing Bitcoin is up almost 1%, but look at XRP up 6.5%, looking very good out there. Doge is also up 3% right now. So things overall are looking very good, very good out there. So I'm pretty happy about where we are. Bitcoin is starting to make a nice move. Everything's getting a little bit positive. Crypto bubbles, everything looking good. Even Bonk is up as well. So nice, guys. And let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. Let's give this a minty refresh. So hopefully your portfolios are looking better. Mine is looking a lot better. So we're seeing fear and greed is at 64. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator out there. And when it is up, it's a good time to sell. Once we get in this area, this is when you like euphoria mode. It's a good time to sell. But when we're in fear, it's a good time to pick up, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you can see almost a V-shaped recovery out there. If you take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see here, Bitcoin basically hit this bottom here and has bounced up. So this is uncannily a V-shaped recovery coming in for Bitcoin. Let's see here. So you can see here, a nice V-shaped recovery out there. I think that we're probably going to blast past 117,000 pretty soon once we break out of this downward trend here. So things are looking pretty good. And typically, if we're not in a bull in a bull run, typically what would happen is we would just kind of like go bang, hit some chop, go down, hit some chop, and then maybe go up. But this V-shaped recovery is pretty positive. We're seeing pretty much the same thing on the hourly for XRP as well, which is very good, guys. You can see here from our top to our bottom, if we measure from the top to the bottom where we were here, and we go all the way down to here, we're down almost 25%. So from the bottom to where we are here, remember, nice V-shaped recovery is happening. We can see that we had a nice recovery up almost 10%, over 10% at the peak. So looking pretty good. Where do I see XRP going? I think probably we're going to continue doing this, and I think we'll probably break past the 555 area. That's our resistance level for XRP. So I think we're going to break out that. I think we'll probably bounce around a little bit for a couple of days, depending on the news, and we'll probably go up, guys. So looking pretty good. Also, if you take a look at Dogecoin, also pretty much the same thing. Doge has kind of been range bound, going sideways a little bit. Not as a good V-shaped recovery as XRP. XRP is freaking strong right now, guys. So why is XRP rising today? Well, we see that strong whales positioning large traders reported open over 25 million XRP long positions ahead of upcoming White House crypto policy news, boosting market sentiment. Don't forget, we've got still the Genius Act, the Bitcoin Reserve, a lot of stuff happening positive from the government, still waiting for that. Also, we see the increasing open interest and flows. XRP futures open interest has jumped 38% on spot trading, volume rose 12%, signaling accumulation and anticipation of future moves, guys. So that's positive. Very, very positive out there. Let's take a look at the how the leverage apes are aping right now. We can see the last 24 hours we're seeing a lot of short positions, particularly on Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and Doge. So we can see overall short positions 107 million, but not too much happening. So get ready. We can see market makers taking some of the liquidity out of the market, guys. So some technical setups to be aware of for XRP and breakout potential. XRP is consolidating around the $2.80 to $3 with bullish charge patterns confirmed. I just showed you the V-shaped recovery that we're seeing for XRP, looking pretty good. Very positive out there. So with bullish chart patterns confirmed, breakout above 293, those could herald a new upward leg towards a target of 340 and even $5 bullish scenario. Also, we're seeing structural momentum shift. Market sentiment shifting to altcoins with capital flowing into projects like XRP. Volatility subsides and traders seek diversification. So we're seeing that people are taking more profits from Bitcoin and that flowing into altcoins. And of course, XRP is an altcoin, guys. So looking pretty good. It looks like this. XRP just clocked 33 billion trading volume in 1 minute. That is insane, guys. Freaking insane. XRP whales load up before the key White House crypto policy is $5.90 on the horizon. I think it's going to happen, guys. Whales are buying the dip. According to crypto pundit Arima analytics, whales have opened a lot of 25 million XRP long positions, guys. So also got regulatory catalysts coming as well, which is going to be good out there. So conclusion, it is evident XRP whales are not hedging or cashing out because of they're doubling down, guys. So that is pretty good. Once we get more regulatory clarity, it's going to be huge for XRP, guys. So looking pretty good, looking very, very good out there. Also, smartest cryptocurrency to buy with $500 right now. So XRP is demonstrating its long-term growth potential. Nowadays, 500 doesn't feel like much, especially if you invest in the S&P 500. But if you invest in XRP, and remember, this freaking article came out on USA Today. So that is pretty cool, guys. Here, let me just get down to it. See, this article was released on USA Today, re-syndicated out there. So a lot of eyeballs out there. So breaking news, USA Today calls XRP a smarter investment than S&P 500 with potential for exceeding traditional assets. I believe it. I freaking believe it, guys, out there. Also, McDonald's, a rumor. This is a rumor, okay? This is not confirmed. Don't beat me up in the comments. Don't beat me up in the comments. Rumors, McDonald's upon XRP payments starting Monday. Select U.S. location will reportedly begin accepting XRP, bringing real-world crypto adoption straight to your local drive-thru. This is cool, guys. This is very, very interesting, right? Also, huge. There is now 80% chance of getting rate cuts in September, guys. So, nice. What else is coming in? We're seeing USA in the spotlight again. Also, fun fact: Doge is the only cryptocurrency Tesla accepts. Remember that. And Doge H1 Dogecoins climbed back above 20 cents out there, guys. So that's kind of all I got. XRP $5.90 coming in soon, guys. So be blessed, be well. Don't forget to give super thanks, subscribe. EYB. I love you guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.